Hi beauties, Tjforbeauty here, back with another video for you guys. Today, if you can already tell by the setup, we're doing a fashion video. Fall is here, whether we like it or not. I don't like it very much, but you know, everybody asked for it. Everybody was like, oh, I'm ready for fall, I'm ready for fall. Well, guess what? You got it. So I hope you guys are happy. Me, on the other hand, I have a love-hate relationship with fall because I love things about fall. I actually like everything about fall except the weather. The mild days I can do, you know, when it's a nice like 60 and the sun is shining, but like anything colder than that is just like not my cup of tea. And I also feel like it's cold during the year way longer than it's warm, and I just kind of feel like it's not fair. It's not fair to us who appreciate warm weather. You know what I'm saying? But I digress. Since fall is here, as promised, I want to start incorporating more fashion stuff on my channel. So I hope you guys are as excited about today's video as I am. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be discussing fall 2020 trends. I like to consider myself a trendy girl. I try to incorporate things on this list that I already had without actually having to buy more things. Hopefully this video gives you some inspiration and you'll be able to adopt some of these trends into your wardrobe and just put your own unique spin and twist on it. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the first trend that's on my list is head-to-toe leather. We've seen head-to-toe leather all over the fall 2020 runway shows. Not only is it head-to-toe leather, it's also colored leather. Leather is something that never goes out of style in terms of fall and winter. Even if you were to purchase something now for 2020's leather trend, you'd still be able to use it in the years to come because leather comes back around every year, just in a different way. The safest bet may be to buy some leather in a more neutral color, like a brown or a black, or like a cognac terracotta color maybe. And this way you may be able to get more wear out of it. The jumpsuit that I'm wearing is from Misguided. I just paired it with these clear mules. I absolutely love leather, so I'm loving this trend. I feel like leather is, when you wear leather, you're able to look chic, like you got money, edgy, and fashionable all at the same time. So this is one of my favorite trends out of the list. Every year I always have something leather, whether it's leather pants, a leather jacket, a leather skirt. I've always been able to incorporate leather into my fall and winter wardrobe, so 2020 is no different. The next item on my list for fall 2020 trends is the sweater vest. Now, sweater vests haven't necessarily ever really like been my thing. To me, it's just a little bit more preppy than what my actual personal style is. Also, I don't think they're the most flattering on my body shape, so that's another reason why I never really bought any sweater vests. Now, I have seen on the runways a lot of sweater vests have been styled more preppy. I've seen a lot of sweater vests with argyle prints, or you can layer your sweater vest over like a button down top. That makes it great for going to work, or if you have a little bit more of a polished style. I, on the other hand, don't like to be so polished when it comes to my personal style. So the sweater vest trend was a little bit like, I don't know. But then I also saw on the runway shows like that some designers have, in a way, it reinvented the sweater vest to look more cool, like this one that I'm wearing from Zara. It has the shoulder pads, which is also a really popular trend. It was more so popular over the summer, but they've actually incorporated it into this sweater vest. I love the high neck, and I love the color, which is another big color for fall. I love this chunky knit. It's super warm, so even though it's sleeveless, I still feel like I'll be warm in it on a cool day. And it's a good transitional piece because once it gets colder, I can just layer another sweater or maybe like a bodysuit, any type of long sleeve top underneath of this, and I'll be good to go. Because I'm not so much of a preppy girl, I like to be more edgy. I needed my sweater vest to like reflect that, and I feel like I found the perfect one in this one that I got from Zara. But the next item up on the list is Fringe. The new ways that I've seen these designers incorporate fringe in their runway shows like had me so excited. I mean, everything from like shorts to skirts to pants to jackets to tops. The fringe is everywhere. So I feel like fringe for a lot of people may sound intimidating, but because Fringe has been incorporated literally on every single item under the sun that I can think of, you have so many options to be able to make this trend wearable and comfortable for you to try. You can get anything from like a sweater with small fringe on it to a handbag with fringe on it, fringe earrings, maybe you could even find a boot with fringe. Here I have this denim jacket, which I actually had in my closet. I haven't worn in a long time. I just paired it with these cream jeans, and I love how this look turned out actually. I'm all about fringe, here for fringe. I feel like it makes such a statement, so here for fringe. You got my vote, girl. Now it's all about the neutrals this fall, specifically all the neutrals in the beige and brown family. So creams, beiges, tans, camel, brown, chocolate. Literally the color is everywhere. And surprisingly for years, I don't know what it was, but brown was maybe nude I would wear, but brown was just never a color that I would gravitate towards. But now I feel like I can't get enough of brown. Like any shade of brown, I want it on my body. I feel like it looks so bomb on melanin skin, and clearly I was missing out. I'm late to this party, but I'm here now and I love me some brown. And last but certainly not least, we have the drawstring trend. You guys may not remember, but I posted a vlog where I did a little mini haul. It was maybe about 3 weeks ago. I'll link the video down below, so make sure that you guys check that out. But like almost everything in the haul had a drawstring. And I said then, like, you know, this must be a trend or something. I didn't know at the time, but after doing more research, I found out that, I mean, clearly it was a trend because it was on literally every item of clothing that I purchased in that mini haul, it seems like. This trend is cool to me because I'm one of those type of people where I like basic pieces, but I also like basic pieces that have something special about them. And this drawstring detail is a really good way to be able to like elevate a simple piece and like take it to the next level, to give it like some element of fashion to it. It creates texture on your garment, and then it makes it like just more interesting to look at. So I like it on dresses like the dress that I have on here, because you can actually adjust it to make it as long or short as you want it, depending on how you feeling that day, like wherever you are on your whole scale. Like whether you're feeling really loose, you can pull it up higher. If you're feeling a little prim or proper, then you can pull it down lower. Like when you go to work, leave it low, but when you get off to hit happy hour, you can scrunch that thing up. Okay, however you feeling, sis, you can hike it up, you can hike it down. It's totally up to you. I mean, the dress that I have on, it is a mock neck and it is sleeveless. You could wear this in the summer or on a warm fall day, but I wanted to fall it up some, so I just layered this flannel over it and paired it with boots to make it a little bit more edgy and a little bit more fall appropriate. Alright guys, so that was my list of fall 2020 trends. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and maybe you could get some inspiration to be able to incorporate some of these trends or even other fall 2020 trends into your wardrobe. If any of these trends stuck out to you and you can create a look incorporating them and you post it on Instagram, tag me, sis. I would love to see it. Also, this list was a really short list. There are so many other trends for fall 2020 that I can leave in the description box below. Maybe if you didn't like any of these trends in this video, maybe you can choose another one from the list that you like better. If you enjoyed this video and you like the looks that I put together incorporating these fall 2020 trends, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do me a favor and follow me on Instagram. I'll make sure to link it below or put it somewhere on the screen. It was a lot of fun playing dress up with you guys today. Until next time, beauties. Bye.